ancient days, you may realize my importance in a million ways.
1,000 theories concealed beyond the huge veil, that unknown part of the universal trail.
From the tiniest cell to the ocean's vast, much of it you know, much left for the last. We celebrate National Science Day on 28th February every year. This day marks the discovery of the Raman effect by Indian physicist Sir Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman. Therefore, he was awarded Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930.
Every year we celebrate this day to widely spread a message about the importance of science used in daily life of the people. As well as each year we have a specific theme for National Science Day. Chemistry in daily life in 2011. Clean energy options and nuclear safety in 2012. Genetically modified crops and food security in 2030, and so on. So, integrated approach in science and technology for a sustainable future is the theme for 2022 National Science Day. The real growth of a country was in the heart, mind, bodies and souls of young men and women of the country, greatly said by C.V. Raman.
Notably, various Indian scientists got global recognition for their work. Sir Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman is one of those noble men. He invented the Raman effect, which studied the scattering of light in solids, liquids and gases. For his invention, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1930. Therefore, the Government of India dedicated 28th February as the National Science Day since 1999. Science is not just a subject, it makes you clear about why and why not.
So let's go to our school labs and watch it live. It would be super amazing. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Yanshi and Geetika. Happy National Science Day.
Same to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
What are we going to see today?
Okay, it's not me. My sports are going to show you this experiment. Please come.
Okay, Anshi, you resemble to your father a lot.
I know, everybody says so.
But do you know, this is because of your DNA.
DNA, I have heard about it.
Great. Let's extract DNA from this crushed papaya. This is the crushed papaya. We will add the surfactant into this papaya and we will filter the papaya. This is the filtered papaya.
Now we will pour the filtrate and take the ethanol and pour it in. Can you see the magic? These are the DNA strands.
Wow, it's amazing.
This is the code of life. Come, now let's show you another experiment. We always say that plants are light, which means they can breathe like us. But do you know that this is because of the structure stomata?
Stomata?
Do you want to see stomata?
Yes.
All we need is one microscope and the lower transparent covering of the leaf. Now put it on the slide.
We have the saccharine solution now. We will pour a little bit of it and we will put the cover slip on it. Now we will focus the slide on the microscope.
Can you see the structure?
Wow.
Amazing, right?
Yes, it is.
Let's go to the physics lab. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, girls. Meet my girls, Khyati
Hi.
and Yashi.
Hi.
You know, today they will demonstrate some very quick and interesting experiments based on
Refraction.
Over to you, girls.
Thank you,
You
ma'am.
must be wondering what is this? It's just a simple drawing.
Please tell the direction of the arrows.
It's towards the right.
Now see the magic. Now tell me the direction of the arrows. It's towards the left.
But how is it possible?
It is possible because of the magical phenomena called
Refraction.
Refraction is the change in the path of light when rays of light passes from one medium to another. There are many experiments based on this phenomenon. Let's see some.
But before beginning with the experiment, let me introduce to the apparatus. This is known as optical bench. We have a screen here which is made out of paper, and
This is a magical lens which is convex or a converging lens, and this here is, you all know, a candle which we are using as an object. Let's light up the candle and see the magic. Now if you observe, you can see the inverted image of the candle of the same size, and if you notice, the tip of the flame is pointing downwards here.
But remember, the size and the nature of the image changes when we change the distance of the object from the lens.
Now let's see another one. In this one, the object was placed at 2f. Let's see what happens if the object is at infinity. The object we have taken is that window over there and skyscrapers behind it. And the wall here is our screen.
We again have a convex lens.
Let's place a ruler over here.
And we will slide the convex lens through the ruler. Now,
Can you see the diminished image of the window and the skyscrapers?
and this is not just an end. We have many more examples related to this phenomenon.
For example, this glass slab. And do you know it occurs naturally even with this phenomenon called atmospheric refraction.
Wow, it's really interesting. I wish to know more about that. But we're running out of time. We have to go to the chemistry lab.
Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
Now we are in the school's chemistry lab.
Good morning, sir. Sir, what are we getting here today on National Science Day?
Good morning, students. Today, Utkarsh and Shrika will explain you the difference between acid and base.
Today's experiment will help us determine the nature of a substance, whether it's an acid or a base.
So let's get started. Today we have two test tubes here and both of them have a transparent solution. We do not know which one is the acid or the base.
To find out, we'll use this chemical indicator, phenolphthalein, and we'll pour 2 drops into each of them.
So, as we can see, there's a change in the color of the solutions. This one here has turned white, meaning it's an acid. And this one has turned pink, meaning it's a base.
Thank you.